Hey guys and girls, Rick here, and welcome to my channel. And today's topic's going to be maybe controversial here, but whether or not to waste your money on leather cleaning products. And this is my take on it, and you may agree with it, you may not, and I respect that, but this is just Rick's take on it. I don't waste my money on leather cleaning products because my idea of leather and the actual production leather is two different things. If I had leather that you could actually physically touch and it needed to be treated with a leather cleaning specific product, I would probably buy some. But probably, well, all the leather I've ever come into here in these production cars nowadays um, are all coated with a plastic coating. You know, our paint's got a plastic coating, which is called a clear coat. Our leather has a plastic coating, um, and our vinyls have a plastic coating. Um, Almost everything that's in a car has some type of coating on it. And I say plastic, it's a coating on it, and it's a type of plastic. So in order to in order to get to the leather to either condition it, to clean it, or whatever, you have to get through that plastic coating. Um, Same thing with paint. In order to get to the paint, you have to go through the clear coat to get to the paint. That's what protects our car. That's why when we get a scratch on our car, on the outside of a car, you can polish it out with a polisher because you have the protecting. I'm sorry, you have the protective coating, the clear coat, protecting your paint. Usually, by the time you make it to your paint, your base coat, you've made it through the clear coat. The scratch is what is considered too deep to repair. I mean, it can be, it can be touched up and blended, but just for as far as using polishes and stuff to correct it, and it's pretty much a done deal. Same thing with your seats or your leather in your car. And I'm sure somewhere there's some high-end leather, some extremely high-end leather that may not have a type of like a clear coat or coating on it that you protect and you wipe down. And something like that, if it's a product specifically to protect and to condition leather, then to me that's what it's meant for. Some of these products are gimmicks, just an all-purpose cleaner. A lot of times will do everything you need to do on the inside of your car. If you have some type of stain on the inside of your car, um, you get something a little bit more aggressive, or don't dilute your all-purpose or multi-purpose cleaner quite as much as you normally would maybe. Uh, I usually use a all-purpose cleaner or multi-purpose cleaner, and if I really need something like some stains or something taken out of my carpet, then I'll use my Meguiar Super Degreaser and dilute it. The one thing I would say is if you're using a chemical on the inside of your car that you've never used before, and this is anywhere on your car, it's not just on the interior, it's anywhere in your car. Always try to use it the first time you try it. Always try to use it on an inconspicuous location. A little small area, 1 inch area somewhere. If it's your painted surface, try to do it somewhere toward the bottom, where it's not going to be seen that well. On the interior of your car, on the back of your seat, the very bottom back part of your seat, just to make sure it's not going to fade, or make sure it's just not going to do whatever to your car. It's always that's just safe rule of thumb. But I know some of you guys and girls may disagree with me as far as not using a leather specific cleaner, but I mean, just go outside and look at your car. Just be honest with yourself. and go out there and look at your car and touch your seats. Is that truly leather you're touching, or is that a plastic coating that's made to protect the leather? And you know your car, even the vinyl, because you don't see you, you see well you do you see a lot of vinyl cars, and they'll call them leather seats, but they're partially leather, partially vinyl. And vinyl's the same way. It gives you that shine, and it's got a coating over the top of it. So, uh, if you got any comments, leave them below. If you agree or disagree, put them in the comments below. If um, if you have a type of leather or a type of seats or interior you think that don't have a clear coating over top of them, hey, tell us about it. Tell us what type of vehicle it is or what type of seats they are. Um, I'd be curious to see them. Maybe you can even shoot a picture of them and put it in there. So thanks for stopping by. Thanks for listening to my channel. And if you have any comments, again, leave them there, and we'll get to them and read them and answer them. Thanks.